morning. Ako si Jason Dominguez sa partner ko si MJ Dominguez. Magre-report kami tungkol sa art and emotion. Reread namin si Aristotle pati yung theory niya na catharsis. Aristotle, Greek philosopher and scientist, born in Stagirus, Northern Greece in 384 BC. Anak siya ni Nicomachus. Then, Aristotle, known siya as a great thinker and he studied and wrote in logic, natural history, psychology, and grammar. Kilala rin siya sa art and politics. Poetics, developed by Aristotle, devoted to drama. It is the first systematic essay in literary theory, full of insight, showing a high degree of flexibility in the application of general rules. Yung framework na to, yung naging influential siya until ngayon, lalo na nung Renaissance hanggang sa early European times. 6 elements of the tragic drama: plot, character, diction, thought, spectacle, and end. Aristotle's definition of tragedy. Tragedy, there is an imitation of an action that is serious, complete, and of a certain magnitude, in language embellished with each kind of artistic ornament, the several kinds being found in separate parts of the play, in the form of action, not of narrative, through pity and fear, affecting the proper purgation of these emotions. Yun yung definition ni Aristotle sa tragedy. Tragedy, a very bad event that causes great sadness and often involves someone's death. A very sad, unfortunate, and upsetting situation of something that causes strong feelings of sadness and regret. A play, movie, etc. that is serious and not sad and
yung merong 4 meanings ng tragedy, yung imitation, pity, fear, purgation. Yung imitation is the attempt to capture the essence of reality in artificial form. Yung pity is the feeling of pain one experiences when watching another suffer. Fear translates much like the modern English fear, the sense of panic or loss of itself in terror. Purgation, meron siyang tatlong meaning. Yun yung purification, purging, and distillation. Yung purification, nag-imply to sa tragedy kasi to purify the pity and fear so that we feel only those two emotions. Yung purging, also known as cleansing. This reading implies that tragedy purges harmful emotions like pity and fear from the body. Distillation. This reading implies that tragedy distills and purifies pity and fear so that they become even more intense for the audience. Catharsis. Yung Greek word, yung original Greek nito, catharsis, letter K. It means purification or cleansing. Ito yung theory ni Aristotle. Purging of emotions through pity and fear. Metaphor originally used by Aristotle in the Poetics to describe the effects of tragedy on the spectator. Yung catharsis daw, kabilang to sa dramatic art. Aristotle's work prior to Poetics, catharsis was purely used in its medical sense, usually referring to the evacuation of catharsis, the menstrual fluid, or the other reproductive material. It could only be achieved by an accurate and persuasive analysis of character and action in a drama. In psychology, term was first employed by Sigmund Freud, who developed a cathartic treatment using hypnosis for persons suffering from hysterical symptoms. Catharsis was also central to Freud's concept of psychoanalysis. In psychotherapy, it means to describe the act of expressing or more accurately experiencing the deep emotional and associated with events. Alam mo,